Ok, ahora sigue hacer este que es 3D Shapes y este que es pares y nones, or odd or even. So the first one is said complete the table. Okay, so I have here first, I can see the shape. You can see the shape is a cube. Remember, the cube has faces. Las caras es las partes planas de ese shape. Los vértices son las esquinitas, como quien dice, donde se juntan tres caras. Y los edges es donde se juntan dos caras. Entonces, por ejemplo, si esta de aquí enfrente es una cara, y esta de aquí a un lado es una cara, y esta de aquí arriba es una cara, entonces aquí dice que los vertices is where three faces meet. So here meets this face, and this face. So this is 1, 2, because I have this face, and the bottom. This is 3. I have top face, front face, and left side face. And 4. And in the back is exactly the same. 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's 8 vertices. Now edges is where two faces meet. So I have this face and this face is 1. This and the left side face is 2. Left side and bottom is 3. Bottom and right side is 4. Now I also have left side face and front 6. Bottom and front 7. Right side and front 7, and top and front 8. And in the back is the same. 9, 10, 11, 12. It's 12 edges and faces. I have all the 4 faces around is 4. And the top and the bottom is 5 and 6. So I have 6 faces. I'm going to do the faces with black. 6 faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertices. And the name of the shape is cube. Remember that the cube is a special kind of rectangular prism. Okay? Now the next one. How many faces I have in this shape? Las faces las voy a hacer con lápiz. I have just 1 face. So faces is 1. Edges. Remember, edges is where 2 faces meet. I just have 1 face, so I can't have any edges. So it's 0. And vertices, I just have this vertex. Is 1. Okay? The name of the shape is cone. The name of the shape is cone. Next one. Again, faces, I don't have any face. Edges, remember, faces are flat surfaces, so I don't have any flat surface here. Edges, I don't have any edges, because to have edges I need to have flat surfaces, so I don't have any edge. Vertices, I don't have any vertex. So the name of the shape is sphere. Next one. We start with faces. I have this face in the back, in the left side, this face in the back, right side, and this face in the front, and the bottom face, and the top face. So I have 3 around, bottom and top is 5. So I have 5 faces. Now edges, I have 1, 2, and 3. And then 4, 5, 6. And then 7, 8, 9. 9 edges. And vertices, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The name of the shape is triangular what? It's triangular prism. Okay? Next one. First, the faces. I have this face and this face. The other one is a curved surface, so it can be a face. So I have faces, I have 2. Edges, I don't have any edge because I need flat surfaces where 2 flat surfaces meet, so I don't have any edge. And vertices, I have 0. I need 3 vertices. No, I need 3 faces or more to meet to be a vertex. So this is 0. The name of the shape is cylinder. Okay, next one. First we start with faces. We are going to start around, always around. So around I have 1 this side, 2 this side, 3 is the back, and 4 is the left side. 5 is the bottom and 6 is the top. So I have 6 faces. Vertices, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and in the back, in the bottom, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then top to bottom, 9, 10, 11, 12. So it's 12 edges, and finally vertices, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The name of the shape is rectangular prism. You have to learn by memory the rectangular prism or cubes, the number of faces, edges, and vertices. So once you see a cube or a rectangular face, you know that it's 6 faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertices. So this is a cube. Remember, the cube is a rectangular prism, but with all the sides the same length. So in other words, this part is going to be the same. So I have faces, 1 in the front, 2 the right side, 3 is the back of the shape, 4 is the left side, 5 is the top, and 6 is the bottom. So I have 6 faces. Edges is the same as this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And edges the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 in the bottom. 4 and 4 is 8. Name of the shape is a cube or rectangular prism. Last shape. We start with faces. We're going to count around. So this is 1 face, 2 faces, and 3, this in this side. So I have 3 faces, and this one 4, and this one 5. So I have 5 faces. Now, edges. I have 1, 2, 3. And then I have 4, 5, 6. And then I have 7, 8, and 9. And vertices I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Name of the shape is triangular prism. Okay? I hope you had it all correct because this was very easy. Bueno, ahora vamos a ver cómo se hacen los de odd or even. Recuerden que odd es non, even es par. ¿Ok? Entonces, recuerden que ya les expliqué, o que el día 9 les expliqué, que cuando me sobra uno, vamos a hacerle aquí un aumento. Cuando me sobra uno, es odd. Cuando no me sobra ninguno, es even. For example, right here we have 35. We just circle the ones. So I draw 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I pair the numbers. This one has a pair, this one has a pair, this one doesn't have a pair. So this is even because I have one left. This one, I have 26. I draw the 6 points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one has pair, pair, pair. I don't want any left. No me sobra ninguna. So this is even. Cuando tengo 0, no me sobra ninguna, entonces también es even. Even son, o pares son, 2, 4, 6, 8, and 0. Los pares son 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Los nones, los odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. So we're going to do the next one. So I have 63. I have 63. Wait a second. So I have to draw 6 little points or circles. 3, sorry. I have to circle the 3 and then draw 3 circles. 1, 2, 3. Now make the pairs. Pair, and I have 1 left. So this is odd because I have 1 left. Next one. I circle the number 4. I draw 1, 2, 3, 4 circles. Pair, pair. I don't have any one left. So this is even because I don't have any left. Next one, I have 22. I circle the ones and I have 2. 1, 2. I made my pairs. This one is a pair. So this is even because I don't have any left. Next one I have, my ones is an 8. So I draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This one is pair, 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 pair. I don't have any left. So this is even. Next one I have 51. I circle the ones. I draw my circle. I have 1. Does this one have any pairs? No. So this is odd. No tiene par. Entonces es non or odd in English. Next one is 3 in the ones. I had 3 circles. Pair. This one doesn't have a pair, so this is odd. Next one I have 123. I have 3 in the ones. It's always the ones. Always I just have to check the ones. And I circle the ones. I draw the little circles. And then this is 1. No, this is 3. 1, 2, 3. Now I made the pairs. This one is a pair. This one doesn't have a pair. This is odd. 214. I circle the 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the circles. Pair, pair. I don't want any left. So this is even. I don't have any left. Next one is 98. So I draw 8 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I make the circles. Pair, 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 pair. I don't have any left. So this is even. Next one is 75. I draw 6 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I made the pairs. Pair, pair, and this one is alone. This doesn't have a pair. So this is odd. Now I'm going to solve the 4 subtractions. So let's start. I have 7 minus 5. Can I take away 5 from 7? Yes. I have 7 and I take away 5. I have 2 left. 6 minus 3. Can I take away 3 from 6? Yes. 6 minus 3 is 3. Next one. Can I take away 8 from 4? Si yo tengo $4, ¿te puedo dar 8? No, ¿verdad? So I have to ask the neighbor. So this 5 is not going to be 5 tenths anymore. It's going to be 4 tenths. And then I give to the ones 1 tenth. And I already have a 4 here. So now this is a 14. So I have 14 minus 8. Si 7 y 7 son 14. Y 8 y 8 son 16. Entonces este es como si fuera 7, pero es 8. Entonces le tengo que quitar 1, ¿verdad? Para que sea 8 y 6. 8 y 6 son 14. Entonces I have 6 here. 4 minus 3 is 1. Next one. Can I take away 2 from 6? Yes. I have 6 minus 2 is 4. 3 minus 1 is 2. Can I take away 8 from 1? Yo tengo $1. ¿Te puedo dar 8? No, I can't. So I have to ask the neighbor. So this 5 tenths is going to be now 4 tenths. And I'm going to give 1 tenth here. So it's 1 tenth. And the one that I have here, I have 11 now. So now I have 11 minus 8. I have 8, 9, 10, 11 is 3. And 4 minus 2 is 2. It's 23. Bueno, ahora vamos a empezar con un ejemplo del día 11 para que sepan cómo son las estrategias y cómo es la tarea que van a hacer el día 11. Now we're going to start with an example of day 11. So you are going to know how to do it. I want you to count first the minutes, always the minutes first. So we know that this is 5 by 5 or 1 by 1 if I count the little lines. So I'm going to start counting first the 5 by 5. So this is 5, 10, 15, 20. I have to make 40, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. So I have 40 minutes. This is 40. 40 minutes. And the hour is 8. Aquí marca las 8. Pero como es 8:40, is 8:40. Is closest to 9 than to 8. So instead of the 8 to be here is going to be almost at half of the way, because it's 8:40, it's 10 minutes after 8:30. So 8:30 is maybe here, so 8:40 is a little bit more. So maybe like here. Okay, that's the way you solve this. Okay, in this case, it's the opposite. You count first the minutes and then the hours. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. So it's 35 minutes, and the hour is between 4 or 5, still being 4. ¿Ok? Bueno, esto es el ejemplo del día 11. Ahora vamos a hacer parte de la tarea de las vacaciones de spring break. Okay, we're going to start with part of the homework, spring break homework. So we have 6 clocks and then 4 word problems. Voy a hacer zoom para que se vea mejor cómo lo hacemos, ¿ok? Vamos a empezar con este. So I always count first the minutes. So minutes is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So I have 30 minutes. This is the minutes, the longer hand. Now the hour. As you see, the hour is in the middle of 9 and 10. Why in the middle? Because it's 9:30. Si fuera las 9, este estaría apuntando al 9. Si fuera las 9:59, estaría ya casi apuntando al 10. Pero este estaría apuntando casi al 12. Entonces tenemos que hacer primero los minutos para ver en dónde va a ir la de las horas. Next one, first the minutes. The minutes is right here in the 12. Maybe it's 12 or 12:01. So I'm going to write here, because it's in the 12, it's 0 minutes, or 01. So the time is o'clock. So this is 0, and the hour is 7. So this is 7 o'clock, or maybe 7:01. Next one. I have 3 o'clock. First the minutes. The minutes point to the 12 because it's o'clock. It's 00. And the time is 3. So that this one is going to point to the 3 also because it's 3 o'clock. If it was 3:30, this one is going to be in the middle of the way between 3 and 4. If it's 3:55, it's going to be closest to 4. Next one. This is 9:30. So minutes first is 30. This is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. 30. And time is 9:30. So instead of pointing to the 9, this is going to, or to the 10, is going to point in the middle. Exactly in the middle of 9 and 10. So that's 9:30. Next one. This one is 4 o'clock. So minutes point to 0 because it's o'clock. And the hour points to the 4. That's 4 o'clock. Next one. Minutes points to 30. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Hour to 8. So it's 8. This is 8. But they are telling me 8:30. So it's in the middle way. Half of an hour. So it's 8:30. Next one. First the minutes. As you can see, this is pointing to the 12. So it's o'clock. And the hour is 2. It's 2 o'clock. Next one. The minutes points to 30. This is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. 30 minutes. And the hour points to 8. So it's 8:30. Okay? Now we're going to solve the word problems. There are 20 kids. They need to go to the zoo. Each car can hold 5 kids. How many cars are needed? So I'm going to do cubes. I start with circle the numbers. I have 20 and 5. Let's circle the numbers. Underline the question. How many cars are needed? Box the keywords. 20 kids. They need to go to the zoo. Each car can hold 5 kids. That was box the math words. Equation or strategy I'm going to use. I think the best option is to draw the cars. So I have one car. Remember, I have 20 kids. One car can hold 5 kids. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I need another car. 2 cars. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, because it's 5 and 5. 3 cars. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Another car. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So how many cars I need? I need 4 cars with 5 kids each car. That's the best strategy for this kind of problem. It's easy. Next one. Mario wants to buy a Nintendo DS. He has $14 and the Nintendo DS costs $72. How much more money does Mario need? Okay, cubes. First circle the numbers. Mario wants to buy a Nintendo DS. He has 14 and the Nintendo DS cost 72. That was circle the numbers. Underline the question. How many more dollars does Mario needs? Box the key words. He has 14. Nintendo costs 72. How much more money does he need? Okay, I'm going to use an equation here. He has 14 plus he needs more money to get 73 or to get $72. How much money does he need? So now I use the fact family Chinito. I have 14 plus some equals 72. El Chinito me dice que haga 72 minus 14. 72 minus 14. Can I do 2 minus 4? No, this is going to be 12 and this is going to be 6. 12 minus 4 is 8 and 6 minus 1 is 5. So he needs $58 more. Needs $58. Okay? That was easy too. Next one. Jocelyn has $12. She pays $4 for a candy. Later, her mom gives her $6. How many dollars does Jocelyn have now? Este está bien fácil. First, cubes. First, circle the numbers. 12, 4, 6. Underline the question. How many dollars does Jocelyn have now? Box the keywords. Has, pays, gives her. Now I'm going to use an equation. Jocelyn has 12. She pays 4, so she spent $4. But later her mom gives her $6. How much money does she have now? So first I'm going to do 12 minus 4. 12 minus 4 is, can I subtract 4 minus 4 from 2? No, so this is going to be 12 minus 4, the same. So I have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. Now that she has 8, now I have to add 6. So now it's 8 plus 6. So I have 8 plus 6. That's 14. So she has left $14. She has now $14. Next problem. I'm gonna write here cubes. Gerardo has 78 cents. He first pays 35 cents for a sticker. Later he pays 21 cents for a gum. How many cents does Gerardo have now? Circle the numbers. 78, 35, 21. Underline the question. How many cents does Gerardo have now? Box the keywords. Has, pays 35, and he pays 21. Now, equation or strategy. I'm going to use an equation. So he had 78 cents, he pays 35, and then he pays 21. How much does he have now? So we got to subtract 2 times. 78 minus 35. 5 para llegar a 8, or 8 minus 5 is 3. 7 minus 3 is 4. So I have 43. Now it's 43 minus 21. 3 minus 1 is 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. So he has left 22 cents. So it's 22 cents left, or now. Okay, and that's it. Bueno, gracias niños, y mañana les subo cómo se hacía el día 11 para que lo puedan checar. Mañana en la noche lo subo. Ahorita estoy subiendo el día 10 para que ustedes revisen su tarea del viernes. Y en la noche yo subo el 11 para que el martes chequen su tarea del lunes. Ustedes solitos la van a checar. Después de que yo se las checo, ustedes van a corregir con el video. Por favor, vean los videos. Por favor, véanlos. Es importante que vean los videos para que sepan cómo se hacen las estrategias y cuáles son las respuestas correctas. Bueno, gracias niños. Bye.